Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about filters. We are going to review some of the filters that you can apply to video, and in another video we are going to talk about audio filters. So let's start. We have here face cam, image. Make this a little bit bigger so we can see the difference. Let's make it a full screen. We have our game capture here. We have our face cam. Let's make the game capture a little bit smaller. Let's take the game capture, for example. We want to crop this part. We talked about crop before. Let's talk about it again. Add filter. Let's select crop. That okay. Let's remove from bottom. Let's say 200. We can add more. Top. Let's add 250. Okay. Make this 250. Okay. We have added crop. Right now it's just this part instead of the other part. Let's get back to the game. Okay, so this was crop. So let's select our webcam here. You can apply the filter to the group itself, or you can apply the filter to the webcam or to the image. As we talked about before, you can add filters to anything, to a scene, to a webcam, to a group, to anything you want. So let's say, for example, let's start by the background. We want to change it a little bit. Filters. Let's add, for example, color correction. Okay. If I want to increase the saturation, you see the background, the colors becomes more prominent, or if you decrease it, it will become like black and white. You can get back to defaults like this. You can increase the brightness, contrast, brightness, gamma, hue shift. You can change the color. So as you can see, I can just change the color by adding one filter in the color correction. So you can have multiple backgrounds with just one picture. You can also add color multiply, so get back to normal. Let's make this one a little bit, let's make it a little bit bluish. So let's select this one. Let's say this bluish white color. Okay. As you can see, it's a little bit bluish. If I disable the filter like this, you see it's different now. So you can change this until it looks good with the face cam. What we have here, chroma key, we talked about it. Apply LUT, let's talk about this for the video capture. Okay. Right now we have this color correction. You can apply color correction to the face cam if you want. Let's add apply LUT. A LUT is just a color correction or a color grading. Some filters that has been already made, and someone copies these filters and you take them and just apply it as a one unit. Instead of adjusting the brightness, adjusting the saturation and all this stuff, you just take one thing and add it, and it's going to be one filter which is called a LUT. So let's add apply LUT. Browse. So here, for example, this is, let's say this filter, this LUT, teal, low, orange. Okay, apply it. Now you see the colors are different. You can change the amount of the LUT like this. Like this, you can change it, let's say black and white. Increase it. As you can see, this is how a LUT works. It's just a preset filter that you can apply directly. Anyone can make it and send it and share it with others. So this is how a LUT works. So let's remove this. Chroma key, talked about it. Color correction. Okay. Color key. We have color correction here before. You can add the same filter more than one time if you want. So color correction here. Let's talk about, for example, the color correction is made before the chroma key. So if I take this, the chroma key, let's decrease the intensity a little bit. Right now it's 441. Let's make it like this, for example. If I take the color correction and put it below the chroma key, watch this. You see, it's different now. Color correction filter has corrected the colors and changed them a little bit. So the green part or the dark part here is not the same as it was before. So the green screen or the chroma key filter is going to remove this part as it looks more similar to this. So apply color correction first before the chroma key. Okay, now we have a good result. So the arrangement of filters is important. So sometimes the arrangement of these filters can change the result. So make sure you put the basic filters first, like crop, color correction, and all this stuff, and apply the LUTs later. Let's say we have here image mask blend. Okay. So this image mask blend is something that you can take, for example, just like the LUT. You can take a picture and put it on your face and change its opacity and make it blend with the screen and be as one unit. So I'm going to show you how. So let's select from here. Let's start by blend, multiply, for example, browse. Let's select any picture. Let's select this one here. Okay, open. As you can see right now, it's like the image has been added to the screen. And it's part of it now. You can change the mode. So let's take addition. It's a different result. Blend. different result, multiply the one we like. Okay, we can then decrease the opacity a little bit, but this is going to change the whole thing. So this is going to be used if you want to add some special effects or something. So this is how it works. Let's select, for example, mask. This one. Mask is going to crop some parts of your current video, which is the face cam. Remove it from color channel. Let's say, for example, I take a PNG image, which is like a circle. It's a custom made thing, and you add it. It's going to make this square. You see this square? It is going to be a circle. Or this color channel changed according to the color of the image that we add. You see here the lights, the light bulbs that we saw before. You see, this is the image that we added. You see, if I change it, it's different now. If I take, for example, this one, it's a different result according to the colors. This is the moon in the picture. You can also have alpha channel. Let's select a mask. This is a border and this is the image. Let's select the mask image. Okay. As you can see right now, you might not see a difference because this is a green screen. So let's remove this chroma key, disable. You see this cut? This is a different cut. You can't apply this directly in OBS Studio. You need to make an image like this and put it. So let's say, for example, I want to select, let's get back, layouts. We have a circle here. Let's add this. Right now it's a circle. As you can see, let's say we want to apply the other filter, the other mask here, design 2, this one, mask.png. You make this in Photoshop or something and then add it. Open. Okay. Right now we want to add this filter to the background too. You can go to the background itself and add a filter, the same filter, but this is going to be 2 steps. So remove this from here, go to our source, the face cam, the group itself, filters, let's add image mask blend. Okay, let's say this one, circle. As you can see, it works now. It's just about the size. The size was not perfect with this one, but you understand the idea. You can apply it to the face cam, you can apply it as you want, but this is going to be a custom thing. So this is the idea of this filter. So if instead of doing this stuff, there will be a plugin in OBS Studio. This plugin is called Advanced Mask. You can apply these filters inside of OBS. It will be inside of OBS and you don't need anything else. It will be explained in the plugin module. So this was a filter. So let's get back what we have left. Filters. Let's apply chroma key again. Let's add, for example, we have render delay. Okay. Render delay, let's say while I'm talking, you see that in the record that there is a delay between the audio and the video. Maybe the video is before the audio. So you add some delay, let's say 100 milliseconds. 100 milliseconds. You see, if I touch my hand, you will hear the clap first and then you will watch it. Watch this. You see, there's a delay. Change it up to 500. Watch this 500. Right now you are going to hear the clap much earlier. So watch this. So let's disable this. Now as you can see, it's now back. So this is the idea of a delay. You can also add a delay in audio. We are going to talk about it. Scroll and sharpen. Let's talk about sharpen. Sharpen is like this. If you increase it, it will increase the sharpness and the details of the video or the picture. All these filters can be applied to pictures too, or any source, browser, gameplay, desktop, anything. It can be applied to anything. Okay, so this is sharpen. Let's talk about scroll. Scroll, it's going to be scrolling and moving from side to side. So if I apply it like this, and let's say horizontal, I want it, it's going to be rotating and moving horizontal. You see this? And you can also add a vertical one. Okay, you can make it loop or just go to the side and disappears. Okay, you can use this. We can use this, for example, let's say, let's add a text. Add text. Let's say OBS Studio. Okay, now we have our text here. Let's take it and put it, for example, here. Let's add a filter to this text. Filters. Scroll. Okay. Now let's watch this. We want it to be moving from right to left. For example, let's add a space here. Text. Add a space, or add more than one. Okay. Right now, as you can see, it's moving. If I want it to be adjusted to my face cam, for example, I'll just crop it like this or make it smaller. You can make it move one time and disappear by removing the loop. You see? So this is how scroll works. So guys, that's it for today's video. We talked about video filters. In the next one, we are going to talk about audio filters and how to change how our mic sounds. See you in the next one.